Hello and welcome to today's video. Now with the keen eye will notice there's a massive building behind me which is the York Minster, and today we're just going to go for a bit of a wander around. Because we've been to York a few times, we're going to Bootham Bar and we're going to walk its walls all the way to Monk Bar. So if you fancy joining, then come along, let's go. So we're going to be walking from here, along there, to there. So this is Bootham Bar, and this is the start of our little walk. We just go up those stairs there and then get to the top of there, and there's a walkway that goes all the way around the Minster. So yeah, let's get up those stairs and start this trip. Let's go. Join me. So here we are in Bootham Bar. Up there's a stairwell going up, I'm guessing for archers to protect this part of the wall. But yeah, there's a doorway here leading onto the actual wall itself, so let's go. These are possibly arrow slits so the archers can aim their arrows down. Obviously that was probably before these buildings were built further out. Let's continue on. Don't know if you can see on the actual video there, just about there, a little girl staring up, keeping an eye on us, seeing what we're up to, and onwards we go. So in the distance there you can see the York Minster. Now the York Minster actually had a Roman fort surrounding it and protecting it, and nearby, which we'll go over there, is where Monk Bar is. Around Monk Bar there was some Roman ramparts that were built basically just to protect it from the river Foss. I know there's a river Ouse here, but there's also a river Foss, so the ramparts were there to protect that part of the fort. So that was the Romans. Then the Vikings came over and built them there again to protect that area. Then after the Vikings it was the Normans. Now we're going to be walking around here and heading towards Monk Bar, so let's go. So as well as the iconic Minster that you can see there, there's also a Minster library, there's the Treasurer's House and Gray's Court. So Monk Bar is just ahead of us now, so we're going to head there, and yeah, you get to see it. It'd be nice. Tell your mum, she might like it as well. All the properties that we pass here have all got really nice gardens, as you can see, well kept. I guess you have to be when people keep walking past your garden every 5 minutes. Got to make it look nice. So here we are at Monk Bar. Check it out. So this is Monk Bar. It was originally known as Monk Gate Bar, and it derives its name from the monastery community that lived on the site in the present Minster. It was built in the early 14th century. Monk Bar was designed to be effective in defence and is the strongest of the York medieval gateways. The bar has 4 stories. The first 3 floors beginning 14th century, and the upper floor was the 15th century. It also makes it the tallest of the York's bars. So that was just a short walk from Bootham Bar all the way to Monk Bar. Hope you enjoyed it. And what did you think?
I thought it was pretty good.
It's good. You can see a lot of the scenery, a lot of the gardens and a lot of the wall, and get a better understanding of the fort and around it. Anyway, it was just a short video just to give you a bit of a glimpse. I might do a longer video at some point. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, a comment and a subscription if you would like. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. So look after yourself, take care and goodbye. you.